Hi guys, welcome to one more video from Hyperpix Productions team. I'm Mary and I'm here to introduce one of our latest products, which is from our Bling Bling collections from Hyperpix collections, which is one of our so attractive styles, which our designers have spent hours of their time to create it for you, and it's designed from the real and 3D jewelries, which the material is so great and the quality is excellent. And if you check out the details, it's so exact, and our designers have made it into a texture and the result is breathtaking. So you can also convert this text and insert it onto logos or text, which our designers have gave the ability, so you can use it on anything you want. So in this video I'm going to show you how easy you can work with this template and get your projects done 100 times faster and have the most best quality and surprise your customers and clients. So if you want to download this template right now, just refer to hyperpix.net and join the VIP membership, and you're going to have a total and complete access to all of our updates and all of our products, and also weekly going to surprise you with so many newly added products. I think it's amazing. Don't miss out on this VIP offer we have. So let's get started with editing this beautiful style. So to get started, just need to right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, you just need to type your text right here. I'm just going to double click on the yellow layer and type your favorite text. I'm going to type hyper right here. So guys, just notice that we have an arch or, for example, a bend right here. If you want to just adjust it, you just need to select the text tool, right click and select warp text. Over here you just need to adjust the bend level and you can achieve some new results. Also we have the vertical distortion right here, which you can increase or decrease, which is the slant. I think it's great right here. You can also change around the font, or you can just use the font remaining. So guys, just notice that if you want to change the font, you can also use it in any language. For example, this is how it works on Japanese. Honestly, it's mind-blowing and the result is shocking. So don't forget that this style is not limited into just English or this font. You can use any other font or language you want. So we just close and click save. I'm going to wait a few seconds until our wonderful style is applied. So guys, as you see, it's better than we expected. The result is so gorgeous, and as you saw, just with one click we got to this 3D bling bling text effect. So let me tell you that our customers mostly use this style for music covers, mostly hip hop and rap battles, which is so popular, and the results turn out to be beautiful beyond belief. And it's so easy to use it, and we're going to get on with the rest of the layers. So just before we get started, from the effects folder we're going to switch the extrusion folder off, which is the 3D effect. Just is temporary because this template and this style has many layers and it's complicated, but don't worry, we'll come back finally and switch it back on. So from the adjustments folder we have the brightness and contrast settings, which you can just adjust them and have different styles and have an amazing handle and control. So we have the lightning group, which are these beautiful lights shining from all different sides, which you can just have a total handle, and you can also change the place of the lights, and the results are going to be surprising. You have a amazing excess, which this is the first Bling Bling style which has these brilliant lightning effects. Also, we have two texts at the bottom right here, which you can just remove them or just double click and change the text. Honestly, it's impressive, just like this. So the next folder is the sparkles folder, which contains two other layers, which is the text sparkles and chain sparkles. The sparkles that exist on the text and also on the chain, which you can handle them and change the place. You must know that the bling styles have many sparkles, and the sparkles have a very important part in the beauty of them. So some of the sparkles might be sticking out of the text, which I suggest you to select them one by one and place them in the exact and in the right place. Wherever you think it looks better, you're totally free. So I think one more's left, I'll just place it here, and this one here. So I just want to change this one as well, and it's excellent. So everything's okay. You can also switch the sparkles off or just keep them if you enjoy. It's all in your hands and based on your likings. You can also get copies of the sparkles with Alt and drag them all over and have many more of them on your text, which can multiply the beauty of your work. So we don't need the text sparkles anymore, we're done with them. We also have the chain sparkles, which we do the same with them and place them right on the chain. So everything's excellent. We don't need the effects folder, we just ignore it because it contains the main layers and it can put you in trouble, so I suggest you to just ignore it. So the chain folder is this chain right here, which you can switch it off, but don't forget to switch the sparkles of the chain off as well, which even if you want to drag it, you can just select the chain and the chain sparkles and drag it and place it wherever you like, just like this. So finally we have the particles group, which are these little particles and objects in the background, which I'm going to switch it off, and as you see, which you can have a control and a handle and select them one by one and get copies of them or change the places, so you're totally free, just like all the other layers. So here we go, we're done here. We just need to switch the extrusion back on and wait a moment until our 3D effect is applied. So here we go, and the result is hard to believe how brilliant it looks. And as you saw, how easy we was able to work with it. And finally, like all of our other videos, we're going to show you how you can work with this style on a logo. So I'm so excited. We come back to this window right here, and I'm going to insert my logo. I'm going to use Lakers logo. Just going to drag it and insert it right here. We don't need this text right here. I'm going to place it exactly at the top right here. And check out if it's right in the center. So everything's ready. So we're going to see how this style is going to look on the Lakers logo. Honestly, it's adorable. And I'm so happy, and just see how pretty the result is. You just need to just customize it a little. For example, just from the extrusion folder right here, we have this glow right here, which is this cute light shining from down below here, which you can customize a little or just drag it a little down so we don't have so much brightness right here. As you see, I'm going to do right now, just like this. That's not a problem at all. Just drag a little and place it wherever you think is better. Just bring a little bit more down so it's perfect. So you just need to do a few little things. For example, place the sparkles in the right place. So I'm not going to take your time. We're just going to show you the completed result on Lakers, which you see right now. Honestly, is brilliant. It's so eye-catching, and I've edited this text here. I've placed the sparkles in the right place. The result is marvelous. I'm sure you agree with me. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Just like always, like and share the video with your friends, and also support us. If you want to download this style, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, which is our website, and join the VIP membership. And from the second you join, you're going to access all of our products and all of our future updates, and have unlimited downloads and use them in unlimited projects, and surprise your clients and your customers and save on your precious time. Thanks for watching this video. Bye to the next video from Mary.